Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is our third lesson from the Surah Kahf regarding how we can escape and how we can fight back against Dajjal. So there is a incident of Zulqarnain, which is basically Cyrus, an Irani king, which was able to take hold on Babylonia, and there was a king previously who was ruling there, whose name was Nebuchadnezzar, or which was called Bukhti-Nasser. So Cyrus take hold of that city and dethroned the generations of Nebuchadnezzar and freed all the Jews who were being captivated there, and he let them go back to their hometown in Beit al-Maqdis, which is called Jerusalem or Jerusalem by Jews. So he was described as Messiah in the Bible. Now this Zulqarnain, or this Cyrus, when goes to a land in which there were two mountains and between them was a valley through which there was a passage through which some mischievous people called Yajuj and Majuj used to arrive to a certain habitation, a certain set of people, certain town, and used to loot them and do whatever wrong, whatever mischief they used to do, they could do. So those people asked Zulqarnain that they give him a tax, and in lieu of that tax he make a wall between these two mountains over this passage. So Zulqarnain asked them for the manpower and places in between them the strips of metal, and once he places the strips of metal in this passage and he fires them and they melt and fix up themselves between that passage, and over that molten copper was poured, and this was a fixed wall. So from this case you can see that Zulqarnain did not pray for the making up of wall, he actually made a wall. The situation with us is that we actually just pay our salah, we supplicate to Allah, and we want that our griefs, our sorrows, the oppressions being done to us are just lifted. This can't happen. This can't be the case. We have to act upon, we have to do something on the ground level. Unless we do something on the ground, we can't get assured that Allah will help us. This is just a prerequisite before Allah grants us with His help. In the Battle of Badr, as you can see, Sahaba, or the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Sahaba radhiyallahu ta'ala anhum, they went into the battleground of the Badr and they fought there. Then the angels appeared from the sky and they helped them. So we have to be practical. Islam is practical. Islam is so much practical that even about the existence of God, even about the existence of a single God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that if there used to be more than one God, they would have fought with each other and to get into the power, to control the whole universe. So even the concept of monotheism is based on logics and based on practical thinking. So how a Muslim can be impractical and can be just emotional? Emotions doesn't carry anything in the Sharia of Islam. Emotions are only beneficial if they are accompanied by actions, solid actions, well thought actions, the actions well thought by the cool minds. I hope you learned this lesson, and inshallah, if need arises, you and I both will be able to apply these lessons in our life. Fi amanillah.